What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I have something that I've been wanting to get for a very long time now, maybe like 2 or a year and a half. I emailed the actual business owner, the CEO, or whatever, however you want to call it. He makes this himself. He welds it. I actually messaged him like a year and a half ago, and I asked him, can I try a sample one? And he was like, he don't have the benefit to just give products away. So I was like, you know what? I've been wanting this for a long time, and let me go ahead and purchase it. In order to purchase this, you have to go on their website. So I will put their website in the description, so that way you can check it out. This is actually a aerator that goes onto your lawnmower. So while you're cutting your grass, you can aerate at the same time. Or if you want to aerate, you can just aerate. You can use your lawnmower. Now, hopefully this works. Let's go ahead, check this out. So we do get washers with this. You do get a spacer. All right. It says on this website, make sure you measure your wheel size. So what you want to do is measure the size of your wheel, and then you order the size of the aerator wheel. So 7 inches and 7 inches. All right, 9/16. Oh, lefty loosey. Wrong way. All right, so we took our nut off. Come on. Whew. All right, that was a lot of work. We have the deep part on this side. Let's see this side. Okay, it fits in right through the middle. I should have did it like that, so it fits right through the middle, right there. All right, you need to take it back off, put it back on. All right, and that's because the shaft here is skinny. And it came off. All right, put that back on. You got a small washer. I'm gonna use a big washer. And then let's try to put this thing on. I think we're good, you guys. Let's see if this thing aerates. It's doing a little something. Let me put it more into the ground. I'm going all the way to 1. Let's see. All right, you guys. So it's not that bad. Another thing with aerating, you need the lawn a little bit damp. So my lawn is completely dry. I will be wetting the lawn, and then we'll do another demonstration. But it is getting some aeration in. All right. We have some plug action going on. All right, and we have some holes. The holes where we just came from, this is where we came from. But again, my lawn is completely dry. So right now I'm gonna use my rain barrels. I want to empty all my rain barrels out, so I will be wetting the lawn up. I have my washers right here. Wow. All right. So y'all know the aerator from Home Depot is like 80 bucks, you guys. With that being said, you can save yourself a trip if you want, but the difference between 80 bucks at Home Depot is a heavy machine. You'll need like you need a dolly or something to transport it, a car with a hitch on it. If you have a truck, you'll get more plugs with the one from Home Depot. But of course, with this one, you'll have to go over your lawn a lot of times. But you know, you're saving time and energy from going to Home Depot and renting that one, like I did last year. But I don't know what happened to the lawn this year, you guys. Oh, it looks disgusting. Let me show y'all my lawn last year around the end of April. This is close to the end of April. I really neglected it after spring of last year, you guys, and I don't think I'm gonna let that happen again. So we have a lot of work to do back here. Don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try something, you guys. I can't stand how this lawn looks. It looks terrible. Okay, terrible. Anyways, so stay tuned. I'm gonna wet the lawn up. All right, you guys. So I've been watering the lawn a little bit with my rain barrel over here, and we are going to see how this aerator gonna work. Oh, it's going in easier than when it was dry, you guys. Now, sorry, I got y'all on my neck, but oh, it works. Okay, it's dry right there. Oh, it came off. Oh. But I didn't have it on tight enough. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you guys, where did my nut go? Uh-oh. I'm in trouble. All right, you guys, I gotta find my nut. I actually lost the nut, so make sure you hand tighten this really tight because the nut with vibration comes off, you guys. Now, I'm doing it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna turn the lawnmower on and do it to see if it's easier. See, I gotta loosen it some because I went too tight. And also keep your socket with you and keep an eye on the bolt because the bolt comes loose. All right, you guys, so you do get holes. All right. You get maybe like 2 inches, 2 inches a hole. Not bad. All right. So as you can see, the bolt came loose, you guys. And when you tighten it too tight, it don't want to turn. And I'm going to get wet. All right, let me tighten it up again. See what happens. You just got to push hard enough. Oh, water. But it works though. I'm enjoying it right now. I just tightened it and everything is good now. Maybe it just needed to be tightened a little bit more. But you can see it's going through. And keep in mind, I dampen my soil, you guys. This is actually working. I didn't think it will dig the holes, but the holes are actually being poked in, so that's a good thing. But if you want 1,000 holes, you will need to do this weekly. So I think I'm gonna be doing this for the whole week until next week. I'm ready to reseed. Every time I cut the lawn, I'm going to use this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming down to the final. I want to say we're doing very good right now. I'm watering the lawn some more. This is like day 2 or 3 of me going back and forth, and I'm just aerating. It's nice and easy now. I only have the small washer on, and then I put my nut on right there. But we have plug action, you guys. So this thing actually works. So yeah, salute to Scott salute to his company, you guys. Once again, if you want a lot of holes at once, then yes, you will take a trip to Home Depot and rent your aerator. But if you want to just do this day by day, then you're good to go. If you're not planning on overseeding and you want to aerate through the year, then I would just leave this on and aerate through the year. There's another aerator machine, well, not really a machine, but somebody makes it. It's pretty cool. I've seen somebody use it before, and I want to see if I can find it. But other than that, this one is pretty cool, you guys. So I will put the website where you can purchase this. I'm not getting paid for this, so it is what it is. My hard-earned work. It's like, no, I'm just kidding, you guys. But anyways, I'll post the website, and I will put a playlist. I did a couple of aerator videos, so I will try to tag a playlist on here so y'all can see the different aerator tools that I use. But this is my favorite one so far. All right, so that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.